Hey people, my name is Gerben and I've been a retro collector since 16 years. And today we're gonna unpack some more retro items and let's see what we've got. This is the Philips MSX2 NMS 8245 and it's cleaned up and we'll see if it turns on. Ooh, that's strange. Off. Oh, I'm not sure if that's a good sign. Okay, the power cable was not very well connected, so we'll have another try. Look at that, a lot better. Doetinchem. Oh, this is nice. I used to go to school in Doetinchem. Okay. Yes, we hear you loud and clear. Let's go for the demo. Uh-oh. Oh. They're waving at us. Very nice. Very lots of fun, I think. All in all, a very good MSX2 computer. It's tested and the games run fine and keyboard and everything is fine. So, shall we say I'm happy with it? Yes, I am. Thank you. Next up is this very nice package. Look at this. Have you ever seen somebody who takes just this much care to put a nice sticker on there, like I'm 5 years old or ever over again? Very cool. This is also something for my collection. Wow, look at this. This is very cool. It's for the PlayStation 3, of course. It's for the Move, and you can shoot at the screen. And I was already very confident that the seller was packing everything very well, because he sent me pictures of all his packing process, and look at this. There's no chance that it's going to be damaged. Very nice. And these are the games he sent me. Final Fantasy, the Shoot. I think this is very nice with the gun. Homefront, it's exclusive. Very cheap. I Create, Borderlands, Prince of Persia, Call of the Jars, After Hours Athletes, and this one. I'm very curious about this one. I think it will be some fun. Next package is something I also wanted, and it's not really vintage, but it's gonna be someday, so it's good to buy them now while they're cheap. It's a small EeePC by Asus, and we'll have a look inside. Very nice in the original box. That's for a collector also very important, of course. Look at this. Wow. Power supply, and it's, well, it's really minty green and it's very small. Look at this. This makes me smile. Wow. USB and the stuff, and some more USB. Let's have a look. Oh, cool. Very nice. No power. I think it needs a charge. And with the manuals and the CD. Cool. Let's see if it works. Would be very cool. Some lights light up. Oh, look at this. Yes, here we go. Good old Windows XP. I think this is a very cool machine. Oh, very nice. Next item is a big box. I would say something about what's inside, but I I don't remember anymore, because it's it came this week, and I buy, well, of course I buy a lot of stuff to resell again, and sometimes I forget what I buy, and then I open it, and then we'll see what's inside. Big box, packed in nice packing paper. We'll have a look. The moment of truth. What was inside this box? What did I buy? It's been packed very well. And oh, we have a nice original bag, I see. Oh, let's see, let's say we have Epson. Oh, it's the Epson. It's the Epson. Packaged very well in 2 boxes. Must be good. Let's hope so. Oh, here, more packaging. Original power supply and the beauty itself. Let's have a look. Aye. Ta-da! Cool. Very cool. For the moment of truth, does it work? I've hooked it up and the power supply is lit up. The button is here and let's have a look. Oh, this is good. Oh, the screen is very... Yes, there is something to see, but let's see if we can fix this a little bit. Oh, this is better. I'm not sure if you can see. Yes, you can see it as well. Oh, very nice. Our next item is not a vintage computer, but it's a vintage console, one of the very old consoles. I bought it from one city from here, and the guy saw that it was only one city away, so he thought, well, I might as well bring it to him. And I'm always happy with that because I know that there's no chance of damage. So let's have a look what we've got now. Okay, there's no real surprise. You can see right away that it's a very nice vintage, very orange Sanusi ping-o-tronic. I'm not sure if these are original because I only saw them with the big brown knobs and not with these. I think somebody put them on here, but okay, it might work. And it's one of the very iconic Pong consoles, I think, because it's big, it's orange, and it screams 70s all over, I think. So I will have a little bit of cleaning and then we'll be testing it. So after a little bit of cleaning, it looks a little bit better. I think this design is one of the most beautiful designs of Pong you can find. It's really space age with the orange and the white. Very nice. I'm going to switch it on remotely. So first I switch it on over here and then I'll switch it on here, and we will see if it's going okay or there will be magic smoke. Maybe not. 3, 2, 1. You heard the tick. What is happening? Are you going to be okay or not? The red light stays on, there's no more sounds. Turn it off again. turn it on again. Tick. Okay, I think you're supposed to give this tick, but you can see I'm startled every time. Try it one more time. Off and on. Okay. Okay, maybe it's supposed to do that, but I'm not really sure, because I had these very often, many times, and they didn't make this ticking sound. And we will hook it up to the TV and see what's really going on. I think I know what's going on. I think it's on auto surf, and this is the sound of the bed. But maybe we can... Oh. Okay. Yes. This must be part of the game itself. Let's shut you up for a moment. Oh, shut up. Damn it. Okay, I think we'll have to live with this, and I will see if I can get an image on the TV. Well, there's not a real image right now, but we can see that the sound is in sync with the screen, so this is good. We will have a better look. This is very strange. I'm getting actually one from TV broadcast. I'm going back to the 80s, really, aren't I? Okay, this seems the best image I can get. You can see there's something happening. Oh, here we go. We have this one, and we have this one as well. Yes, something is happening. And we switch some more. Tip, tip. Oh, okay, something is happening. Okay. What can we do with these? Okay, I think this is the best you can get. Okay, and in the back I found the little knob that controls the volume. So if we every time you want to show something, it doesn't work, eh? There was the tick, and now I'm going to mute it a bit. And now the tick is gone. Definitely for the volume control. A strange but nice machine. Okay, and I almost forget, but I have to give a little shout out to my friends from Italy, because this machine is also from Italy, of course. So I'm urging you to buy this and bring it home back to Italy. Can you do that, please? Right now it's very hot in the Netherlands, I think in the rest of Europe too. I'm sweating like an otter. It's a Dutch phrase. Next up is a big box, and soon as I saw this machine, this vintage computer, I never saw one before, but I knew straight away I want to have it, because it looks very interesting and also something that my customers would like to buy. and let's dive into it. I told you it was a big box, and it is, but it's a very nice and sturdy box, I think. And by the looks of it, I'm hoping and I'm thinking that the seller did a good job on the packing, and we will have a look. Wow. Oh, it's heavy, and I will show you, and maybe you can see what it is, and maybe you know what it is. That would be very clever of you. And I will unpack it a little bit more. Wow, it's a very vintage, sharp computer. It's it's got a sunroof, I think, because it's not connected. But the seller already told me that somebody has been trying to repair this, so we'll have a look inside. But it's a very rare, and I know I'm using the word rare also too often, but this time I really mean it. It's a business computer from Sharp. It's a PC 3210. Do you know anything about these? Let's have a closer look. I think the seller used enough bubble plastic, don't you think? Just look at this beauty. Have you ever seen something like this? I never saw this computer before, and it looks very, very cool with the blue lining, and it's a very big and a heavy machine. And in the bottom of the box I found the spare parts, the parts that were removed or were attempted to repair. Always look through the whole box if somebody sends you something, because there can always be a little bit more or a little surprise or something. And I think we will try to lift this part, because I thought it was loose. Yes, and here we go. Can we do that with one hand without damaging? Yes, we can. Here we go. And now we're looking at something and thinking, okay, and now what? Well, it seems to be complete. Always be very careful. Look at this. Well, a very cool and rare machine, I think. Obviously I'm not going to test it because of these. There's no way I can have an estimated guess that it will be working, because somebody repaired it and somebody else sold it to me, so there's not enough info. But I think whoever going to buy this will have a very nice machine and a very good opportunity to repair it. And we'll close it, and I think we're going to clean it a bit and take some pictures for our beloved eBay. I'm really happy with this. Okay, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I think I will make some more, because there's still lots of stuff coming in, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.